I put 420 euros into crypto, and I'm fully aware that I might lose every single cent of it. I did it anyway, and in this video I'm going to tell you honestly why. I didn't get into this because of some hype video or a Discord server telling me what to buy. I just started to paying more attention to what's going on in the world. News from CNN, speculation from Yahoo Finance, and yes, Trump's Truth Social updates too, to get a perspective on how the political climate affects markets. And the more I followed, the more I started to see that the crypto market might be heading into a significant turning point. The regulatory environment in the US is shifting. Legislation targeting cryptocurrencies and stablecoins like the Clarity Act are concrete steps to clarify the rules of the crypto market. I made my first purchase before the US Senate Banking Committee vote on related matters. That was a deliberate timing decision. But that's not the whole reason. I see a lot of upside potential in these markets over the coming years. I'm not expecting to become a millionaire. I'm not waiting for a miracle. I want a reasonable return over a few years. And right now, I believe that's achievable. Markets move and my plan moves with them. But right now, this is where I stand with this investment. Before I go any further, this is not financial advice. I'm not pumping small coins and I'm not trying to get anyone to buy anything. The volatility is high and the risks are real. I'm fully aware of that. It is entirely possible that I lose everything I put in. But it's a risk I'm willing to take. Because if nothing else comes out of this, I'll at least walk away with a lesson. Having real money in the game raises my personal motivation to stay up to date, follow the market, and actually learn, not just in theory. That's valuable to me on its own. If you're completely unsure and don't really know what you're investing in or why, don't invest. That's not cowardice. That's common sense. What I bought and why? I bought 4 coins for a total of 420 euros. XRP, HBAR, Sol and Link. And honestly, I don't necessarily understand everything as deeply as I probably should, but I'm learning every day. That's part of the journey. XRP was probably the most familiar name when I started looking into this crypto scene. It's had a long legal battle with SEC, and that now seems to be finally over or coming to an end due to Clarity Act. But what really caught my attention was the prospect of spot XRP ETFs, similar to how the Bitcoin ETF was approved earlier. It has opened the doors for institutional money flows on a completely different scale. That was a big reason for me personally, why I invested into XRP. Hedera was less known, but it caught my eye because it's not backed by a group of anonymous developers. There are real, established companies on its governing council. That felt like a more stable choice. Solana is simply one of the biggest names in the market. Low transaction fees and high speed felt like a logical pick. I also bought small amount of Chainlink to stabilize the investment a bit. These were my choices based on my own research. I follow geopolitical developments daily and the plan is to hold this position until 2030, as things stand right now. Mistakes I've already made. I've only been in the market for a month and I've already managed to make mistakes. Here they are honestly explained. Mistake number 1. My first buy was a small test amount and I paid a flat 2 euros transaction fee on it. On a small sum, that's a huge cut of the whole investment. In other words, if you're making small test buys, you're already 4% down before anything has happened. Flat fees are brutal on small amounts. Lesson learned. Figure out the platform's fee structure before you make your first purchase. They vary a lot, that's why I changed to a better platform. Mistake number 2. Multiple purchases in too short a time frame. I made several separate purchases within about 3 weeks. Spreading out your buys is a sound principle, but 3 weeks is a really short window when your plan spans years. If it's a long-term plan, the buying should be long-term too. Even that I managed to lower the average price by a coin, it's basically one big purchase split into several parts, which just multiplies your transaction fees. Anyways, better in this way than putting the whole amount in with my first buy. Otherwise, the unrealized loss would be significantly higher at this point than it's now. Lesson learned. Let the time frame of your purchase actually match what your strategy requires. Mistake number 3. Acting too quickly at times. Even though I was following the news and doing research, there were a few purchases where I could have been more patient and waited for a better moment. Knowledge and patience aren't the same thing. You can know or think that you know a lot and still act too fast. Lesson learned. The markets aren't going anywhere. Waiting is also a decision, and sometimes it can be more powerful than rushing. Final summary. In short, here what I've personally learned so far. Follow multiple sources, news, media, political developments, regulatory changes. Understand the risks before you put money in. Know what you're buying or don't buy. Long term means years, not weeks. Having real money in the game is the best motivator to actually learn. Don't underestimate transaction fees on small amounts. Don't buy everything within a few weeks if your strategy spans years. Don't act too fast even if you've been following things closely. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. This is one of the most important ones. Don't invest if you're completely unsure about what you're buying. That's my story so far. Small portfolio, high optimism, and mistakes already made, and many ahead. But that's part of the learning of the crypto world. At least in my case. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Don't blindly copy anyone's strategy. Do your own research every time. Understand where you're putting your money. And be honest with yourself about how much risk you can actually handle. And to close, I think Benjamin Franklin said it best. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Drop a comment below. What got you interested in crypto, or why haven't you gotten into it? I'd genuinely like to know. Remember to subscribe if you're interested to see how my crypto story ends up being.